Hello everyone, I am student journalist Vishesh Balara from Chitkara University and I will be talking about the Omicron variant of COVID-19. As we all know that COVID-19 is still hovering around the world, affecting and killing people on a large scale. Although cases are decreasing in many parts of the world, but still the danger is lurking. We observe numerous variants of COVID-19 like Mu, Alpha, Beta, Gamma and Delta. And now a new variant took place, that is Omicron. Omicron, Omicron, Omicron. What is it? Where it is from? In how many countries is this variant spreading? In what ways is the variant spreading and what are the steps adopted by the World Health Organization and Government of India? The Omicron variant is classified as SARS-CoV-2 B.1.1.529. The Omicron variant was first reported to WHO on 24 November 2021 and the first known infection was confirmed from a specimen collected on 9 November 2021. The variant has a large number of concerning mutations that propounds the escalated risk of reinfection in contrast to other variants. A rising number of cases are being observed in almost all provinces of South Africa. Current SARS-CoV-2 PCR diagnostics continue to detect the variant. Many labs have detected that for one PCR test, one of the three target genes is not detected and this test is considered to be used as the marker for this variant and still the research is going on. Keeping in mind this approach, the variant is detected to infect people at faster rates and this may have a growth advantage. According to Dr. Angelique Coetzee from South Africa, the Omicron patients she has seen have presented with relatively mild symptoms and none of them loss of taste or smell typically associated with COVID-19. Instead, they have reported unusual symptoms such as intense fatigue and a high pulse rate. In addition, Omicron has 26 unique mutations, many of them in regions targeted by vaccine antibodies. Many doctors even stated that being vaccinated would be of no use in front of this variant as it is known to be a case of terror. The first real-world studies of vaccine effectiveness against Omicron in the community are likely to take at least 3 to 4 weeks as experts study rates of so-called breakthrough infections in people who are already inoculated. Till now, the countries where the Omicron variant is detected in people are India, Australia, Germany, Netherlands, Britain, Israel, Hong Kong, Botswana, Belgium, Switzerland, and Canada. The common factor of the occurrence of this variant in these countries are the tourists coming from Africa, including nationals as well. Many countries are imposing restrictions prior to this variant and advising the precautionary steps. Not only this, COVID-19 cases in many countries of Europe has been rising steadily and there are warnings of the fourth wave, whereas in India, the third wave is yet to arrive and maybe in this variant, the third wave could take place. Till now, 2 tourists in Bangalore who came from South Africa have been diagnosed with this variant. Also, entities are reminded to take measures to reduce the risk of COVID-19, including proven public health and social measures such as wearing masks, physical distancing, applying hand sanitizers, avoiding crowded places, improving ventilation of indoor spaces, and most importantly, getting vaccinated with both the doses in order to remain safe. Alright, so this was all about the Omicron variant of COVID-19. For more updates, stay connected with Newsound India Foundation. Have a great day.